Thinking about switching from Windows to Linux, but don't know where to start? Zorin OS 18 is one of the easiest Linux operating systems for beginners. It looks modern, runs fast, and is designed especially for Windows users. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Zorin OS 18 step by step. We'll also compare the core and education editions so you can choose the right version for your needs. Let's get started. Before installing Zorin OS, make sure your PC meets the basic requirements. You'll need a 64-bit processor, at least 4 GB of RAM, around 40 GB of free storage, and an 8 GB USB drive to create installation media. For the best experience, I recommend using an SSD and at least 8 GB of RAM. Let's download Zorin OS. Open your browser and visit zorin.com/os. Choose either Core Edition or Education Edition. Click Download and save the ISO file to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take several minutes. After downloading the ISO file, we need to create a bootable USB drive. For Windows users, Rufus is one of the easiest tools. Download Rufus from rufus.ie. Insert your USB drive. Open Rufus. Select the USB drive. Choose the Zorin OS ISO file. For modern systems, select GPT partition scheme. Then click Start. Wait until the process reaches 100%. Once completed, safely remove the USB drive. Now insert the USB drive into the target computer. Restart the system. Open the boot menu by pressing the appropriate key during startup. Select your USB device. The Zorin OS boot menu should appear. Choose Try or Install Zorin OS. Once the live desktop loads, double-click Install Zorin OS. Select your preferred language. Choose your keyboard layout. Connect to Wi-Fi if available. Now you'll see installation options. If you want to keep Windows, select Install alongside Windows. If you want Zorin OS only, select Erase Disk and install Zorin OS. Choose carefully because the Erase option will remove all existing data. Click Install now and confirm. Next, select your time zone. Enter your name. Choose a username. Create a secure password. Then click Continue. The installation process will begin. The installation typically takes between 10 and 30 minutes depending on your hardware. When finished, click Restart now. Remove the USB drive when prompted. Press Enter. Your computer will now boot into Zorin OS. After logging in, you'll see the Zorin desktop. The interface is clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Many users find it more responsive than older Windows installations. And that's how you download and install Zorin OS 18 on your PC. Whether you choose the Core Edition for everyday use or the Education Edition for learning and classroom environments, Zorin OS offers a smooth and beginner-friendly Linux experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Windows Tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Windows, Linux, Docker, and IT tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.